Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be doing the size and space test of the E208. So as usual, I've got my son who's 6'2", and he's going to be doing the honours of trying to fit in the front and to the back. So without further ado, let's just see him getting set up for the driving position. As you can see, he's a very tall lad and it's a very small car. So let's just see if he can get. So he's got himself in, just about squeezed in, got himself into a good driving position. Just to see how much space he's got up above his head. I would say it's probably a couple of inches left of room, but it's pretty tight in there. As you'd expect, it is a very small car. So now what we'll do is we will see if he can fit in the back. So we'll get him out and sit him in the back without adjusting the seat. So we've left the seat in the same position and he's going to now try and get in the back. Yeah, not really happening, is it? You know, this car is definitely not made for families. You know, his knees are bunched right up against the back seat, as you can see. There's absolutely no space there, and his head as well. There's no room there at all. Yeah, so there we go. That was my 6'2" son trying to fit in the car. He could fit into the driving seat fairly well. There was, you know, enough gap above his head. But as you can see, there's no room behind to fit anyone really, other than a young child. You know, you're not going to get 4 adults in this car for any sort of length of distance and comfort. It's definitely, you know, for a single or young couple car, just for zipping around in town. You know, I will move on and do the boot space test next, to see how many bags for life we get in there, and you know, that will sort of show you in its entirety the sort of interior space there is available. So we'll just move on to that now. So now let's do the bag for life check like we do on all the car reviews. So I'll just show you the boot space. So this is what you get in the 208. As you can see, there is a slight problem that the cable bag takes up quite a large chunk of the boot, and there is nowhere else to put it. There's no storage underneath. There's a very small area here for some tools, but that is it. So let's get the bags in and see how many we get. So as you can see, we can just about get 4 in here at a squeeze, but then that also doesn't leave you much room as well. So if you've got any larger items like, you know, toilet rolls and stuff like that, there's not really much room for that at all. So you'd have to put that on the parcel shelf. So yeah, you definitely aren't taking a family on holiday in this car. It is definitely a small urban city car, but you know, trips down to your local shops, maybe for a young couple or a single person, you know, a very young family. But saying that, if you know, you really don't have room to put buggy or anything in there, it'd be a really tight squeeze and you wouldn't have any room for anything else. So I hope you find that useful, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the like button and smash that notification bell. Also, if you leave a comment and share, that really helps the channel as well. And if there's a car that you'd like me to try and test, put that in the comment as well, and I'll see if I can get hold of one to do a test. So safe driving, and see you in the next video.